Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this one video. In this video, I will explain to you almost 5 requirements of the YouTube channel. Number first one is how to create the YouTube channel. Number second one is how to use the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is necessary for the YouTube channel, and how to use the Canva application. Canva application is also necessary, and how to use the CapCut application, and how to use the OBS Studio. OBS Studio is also necessary application for the YouTube channel. I have already created fresh video about these 5 requirements of the YouTube channel. Come to the laptop, open the Google Chrome and open the youtube.com from the icon, or type the YouTube. Only type it and click on the enter button. And you can see here www.youtube.com. This is the YouTube links. Click on the first link and you can see here, this is the search box. Type the software installation and use. This one, software installation and use. Click on it. You can see here, this is the YouTube channel about the software installation and use. And this, click on the software installation and use. And you can see here, this is the software installation and use homepage. And you can see, this is the logo, and above one is the banner. This is the videos, and you can see here, this is the playlist. Come to the playlist, click on the playlist and scroll down, and you can see here, I will explain to you how to create the YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel tutorial playlist. You can see here, this is the first step to create the YouTube channel. Click on it, and you can see here on the right side, these all videos about the how to create the YouTube channel. You can see here, first video is how to create a Gmail account for the YouTube channel, and second one video about the how to create a YouTube channel or complete beginners guides. You can see here, this is the important video, and third video is about how to upload a video on YouTube channel. This is also important. And next one is YouTube channel dashboard explain. This video is about the dashboard explanation. This video is also important. How to check the view and describe subscriber, etc. And next video is about the how to change YouTube video title, description, tags, and thumbnail. This is also important video. You can see here, scroll up, and this one video is about the how to use the YouTube editor and YouTube Studio, trim, blurred, and editing option. This video is about the blurred editor option. And next one video is about how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. If you want to create a new channel and delete the old one, this one video is also important. And last one is how to recover YouTube channel or YouTube channel account. If you accidentally deleted the YouTube channel, then how to recover that. This one video is about the recovery of the YouTube channel. Come to the next ChatGPT tutorial. This is the next playlist. Open this one, and you can see here on the right side, there are 2 videos about the ChatGPT. First one video is about the how to sign up and use the ChatGPT. ChatGPT contains 2 type of prompt, text prompt and voice prompt. The first one video is about the text prompt, how to use the text prompt and the ChatGPT. The second one video is about how to use voice prompt and ChatGPT. This video is also important. Watch these 2 videos because these videos is important and for the study the ChatGPT. Then come to the back again and scroll down, and you can see here the OBS Studio step-by-step tutorial. This playlist is important. Click on this one playlist. On the right side, these all video about the OBS Studio. First one video is about how to download and install the OBS Studio. This is the basic video for the OBS tutorial. And above video is about the how to use the OBS Studio for beginner. How to use the OBS Studio. This video is very important. The third one is about easy way to hide, create, delete, capture source in the OBS Studio. This is the third one step. The fourth one is how to remove background without green screen. Two type of removing the background. One is remove the background through the green chroma key, and another one is to remove the background by the background plugin. This video is about to remove the background. Above is by the chroma key, below is about the plugin. Go back again and scroll down. The fourth one playlist is Canva app. This is the mobile Canva application. One is for the mobile. Canva is used for the mobile. Another Canva is used for desktop or laptop. There is one video available in this playlist, how to use Canva application for the mobile. You can watch it. Go back again, and we can create the logo and banner by the Canva application. Scroll down, and fifth one is how to use the CapCut application for the Android. There are two type of video. One is for the Android application. Another videos is for desktop or laptop application. You can see here, these all video is about the how to use the CapCut application for the mobile or for the Android user. This video is about the basic usage of the mobile CapCut application. This one is how to apply the text feature and sound effect in the mobile CapCut application. And this one video is about the how to set the background picture in the mobile application. How to set the background picture. You should learn it. And this one is about how to apply the chroma key in the mobile CapCut application. And this one video is about the how to apply the mask in the mobile CapCut application. These all video are very important to study the CapCut application. Last one is how to use templates in the mobile CapCut application. This one video is also important. Go back again, and you can see here, this is the CapCut for the desktop or laptop. This one playlist is about the CapCut application for the desktop and for the laptop. Click on it. There are 4 video about the CapCut application. This one video is about the how to download and install the CapCut application. Second one is how to use CapCut software or CapCut application. This is the part 1. This is the part 2, how to apply chroma key and mask in the CapCut application. This one is about the part 2. First one is part 1, part 2, and last one is about the part 3. You can see here how to apply chroma key and mask in the CapCut application. And you can see here, this is the apply chroma key and mask. You can see this is the result of the chroma key and mask. Go back again and scroll down, and you can see here, this is the Canva detail. This is the Canva application for the mobile, and this is the Canva application for the desktop or for the laptop. You can see here, these all video about the Canva application for the user of laptop and desktop. First one is how to download and install Canva application for the desktop or for the laptop. The second one is about the part 1 and the basic use of the Canva application. Third one is about the how to create YouTube video thumbnail. This is the important video. And fourth one is how to remove background from the picture and upload on the Canva application. Next one is about how to make Thank for watching video and wedding card in the Canva application. And next one is how to design Eid card and how to design Eid al-Fitr card in the Canva application. These all video are very important. Go back and you can see here these all playlists are very important for the YouTuber. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you the 5 basic requirements for the YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part this one video. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.